down to the end of the woods. It's dark in there, and you come in bright sunlight. A rider's come off, he's picked himself up, he's thought he's fine. When it's coming to 10:30, I saw Brad Compton go through just a few seconds ago. So whether they've come in, changeover time is about now. I'm going to the sun, I know. I can't see anybody's come in yet. Ideally, I like to get into the woods if I can. Through the darkness. I think he started, he's away. Yes, he's pulled over. At number 39. That's the problem. 41, 53, 21, number 10 on Fraser. Pronounced correctly. 53, number 5. That's Tom Braddock, 51. I'll pan over. In the distance, they're all lined up. I'm filming in the sunlight. Well, it's 10:30. Look, there's a change over there now. I can't see who it is. No, continuing. We'll be in the sunlight, I know, but we are in changeover period. I don't know if I can get into the woods or not. Now with the lights on, he got caught up there. 18 through, 49 through now, 42, 45, 15. Maybe did change over to 58. Two more coming here now. 43 and number 8 Graham Mays. Oh, Graham got balked there a bit. He tried to take a different line. It didn't work for him. We can follow him round. I don't think we will. Get him. He's on the outside of the. He's on the inside. No, he's on the outside. He's still not got by him, has he? He has. The wily fox there, he's got by him. That shows years of experience of riding that. I think Graham might be coming in this time. Trudy was there with the board telling him. I think he's come in. Graham Mays has come in, Trudy has told him. Trudy Ross, Nigel Ross, riding partner, coming out very shortly. And they've got to get their time card written on. I've got the sun in my eyes. I don't know if you can see them. Over the jump there, they twist and turn. We'll have someone round there. Probably 3 of them. Not 2 of them. They're coming through now. 113. That's a change over. 59's there. 13, what is it? They're probably changing over this lap. 116 is changed over. That's interesting. Unless both ride the same bike. That's interesting. That's a good. I don't think 113 went out for 13. Oh, he stalled to pose for me while he's filming. got the sun in my eyes. I've turned my hat round so I'm trying to get the sun off the back of my neck. Two more coming round. Well, he's come on the outside of him there. Look at him. Has he got the line? Has he got him? He has. He's got him. Just got to read the numbers sometimes. Now I want to move across the other side of the track. Help. I need somebody. Just not anybody. Seem to be coasting a bit at the moment. Oh, a neat bit on the inside there. Was that 101? We're sending to the room of it is. That's speeding down here today. They're having a good old burnout, or burn up, or anything you like. The throttles are wide open. Dust over there. God, could do with some rain. Oh, I just see him come through there. I thought I'd switch it off. Through the woods. Comes another one. Come quickly, aren't they? Another one coming. We have a convoy. Switched on again. Now I'm looking. Coming someone else now. There's up there. There's two of them here. You go down to the woods today. I'm right close up on them. I ain't going to see that part. If I turn round I can get the back view. If I went the other side, I get more head on shot. Too much foliage. Any more coming there? As soon as I switch off, they'll turn up. Here comes one now. The track, when they come down, I must remember to take the stick with me. They come down with the lights on. See how close they are. Oh, it's a nice little bunch here. Look at that, 101 at the end of that lot. Cole Grantham, I think his nickname's Grammy, not Granny, Grammy. Nice little batch of them coming through. That's good. 102's there. I thought there'd do a blue flashing light at the moment, but it's the sunlight off the red helmet. Blue helmet actually, not red, blue helmet. 111 was that last one. That was a nice little sequence. Comes another one. Half a filming this segment. 129, he's changed over 151. Look at the clock. 103's gone through. All changed over. Oh, that's Nathan Greenaway. I recognise the Team Day Rover shirt. I've got his name right, Nathan Greenaway. 16 years old this season. Or doing the season anyway. 150. Take that out of the way, you can see him come around the corner. Steering on the left hand this time for change. The right hand, take the push out of the way. There's squeaky brakes coming through. Cover this. They're tracking up dust which is going into my eyes over the top of my glasses. A nice dusty shirt today. All I need is another load of them to come through. Poor Jordan Cutton's already gone through. Those are like Nigel Ross by the rear of that. I might not be right. 50-50 chance I am or not. That's a fast rider. One way to be right at the top there, film them all the way through. That's a thought. Right, the cruise now. Yeah, it's stuff in my eyes. Yeah, dust is good in my eyes, definitely. Your eye moves down. Move my spot now to the end of the straight. And then there's the right, left-hander they take. The wind's a bit strong behind me, it might be in the microphone. We'll try and get them all coming up. He likes to slow 136. And goes 101, there's Carl Grantham. Around about 6 or 7 minutes, or 8 minutes. Change over again, there's Nigel Ross. 108, Nigel Ross. 108, Nigel Ross. And then they go into the daylight there. .125. 116, he's trying 117. He's trying to get on film. 110, that's Ben Alexander, I got that one right. Little cheeky chair was changed around the riding numbers around. 22, 124. 124. Just about out of the way of the dust. I think his number's white on white. 158, 144, 149. Slowing the proceedings down a bit. 132. 102, won the championship. 103, another championship rider. 142, 134. 159, 152, 151. 119, 141, 150, 160, 114, 129. I reckon seen that before. Small numbers. 152, that's the championship rider. 112, 147, 106 that was. Nice little badge shopper coming now. 126. There's Nathan again. Nathan wearing his Team Dave Roper shirt. Have to find another way through here now. 104, Jordan cutting, I think that's right. 139. That's Inco. 101, there goes Grammy. I call it Granny. I'm more the old woman than he is. 154. 137. 123. Missed that number. 148, 143. 10 something, but it wasn't 108. It could be 106. The lights there flashing. That's Ben. He's gone through Ben Alexander. 117 behind him. 125, 116. I think it's a question of getting across the track again.